Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to continue our previous topic, that is different types of rational agents. So students, in lecture number 18, that is the part 1 of types of rational agents, we have already discussed about simple reflex agents and model based reflex agents. Now in this session we will cover all these three types, that is goal based agents, utility based agents and learning agents. So now let's just start the discussion. So here the first type is goal-based rational agents. So students, you should note that goal-based agents are very powerful in AI due to their capability for planning. They have a capability, or we can say capacity, of planning, adaptability and purposeful behavior. Because of these three reasons, goal-based agents are very commonly used AI and very powerful type of AI. Their goal-oriented approach, as its name implies, it is goal-based agent, right? So its goal-oriented approach allows them to tackle complex tasks requiring long-term planning and flexible decision making. That is the major important points under goal-based agents. Now, as you can see here, goal-based agents are a type of intelligent agents designed to make decisions and take actions based on achieving specific objective or goals. All right. Other than this, students, we have some key characteristics of goal-based agents. That includes, the first characteristic is defined goals. So a goal is a specific desired outcome that the agent aims to achieve, and the purpose of goal based agent is it helps the agent focus on decision making on outcomes that lead towards achieving the goal rather than simply reacting to immediate stimuli. Another characteristic can be its decision making with goal orientation. Here, the agent evaluates possible actions by assessing which actions bring it closer to its goal. The goal-oriented decision-making allow the rational agents, to plan several steps ahead, making the choices that may not yield immediate benefits but are beneficial in reaching the end goal. All right. The third key point is planning and search algorithm. It's planning and search algorithm. So goal-based agents often use planning and search algorithms to find sequences of actions that will achieve the desired goal. Along with this, its purpose is to identify and evaluate. Remember these 2 points. The purpose of its purpose is to identify and evaluate different paths or sequences of actions that lead to the goal, taking into account any obstacles or constraints. Fourth key characteristic is your knowledge of the environment. Knowledge of the environment. So goal-based agents need to have some understanding of their environment, where we are going to use that particular agent or be able to gather information dynamically. And the main purpose is the knowledge about the environment helps the agent to better evaluate which action will lead to goal achievement. That's why knowledge of the environment is very important in the field of goal based agents. Fifth characteristic can be your flexibility and adaptability. As we have discussed this so many times, flexibility and adaptability plays an important role in AI, especially in rational agents. सो गोल बेस्ड एजेंट्स के केस में they can adapt their behavior in response to new or changing information, and the purpose is that the adaptability enables the agent to respond to unexpected events or obstacles while still progressing towards its goals. All right, for example, we have self-driving cars that may change lanes to avoid traffic while still aiming to reach its destination. It is an example of flexibility and adaptability under goal-based agents. So all these five are the important characteristics of goal-based agents. Now let's just talk about its limitations. We all know every agent has its advantages as well as disadvantages. So let me write it here. The first limitation is its complexity in dynamic environment. As we discussed here, every goal-based agent must have knowledge about their working environment, right? But it has a complexity in changing environments. It is we can say in highly unpredictable or complex environments, planning towards goal can become computationally intensive. Okay. Another limitation is requires well-defined goals. For effective functioning of goal-based agents, the goals must be clearly defined and attainable, which may not always be feasible. For example, अगर हम लोग सेल्फ ड्राइविंग कार्स में एक गोल सेट करते हैं, अपनी एक डेस्टिनेशन सेट करते हैं, बट उसमें हम सेम सिटी के सेम नेम की अगर दो सिटीज हैं, तो हो सकता है कि अगर हमने अपना डिफाइन नहीं किया गोल को अच्छे से, तो वो डेस्टिनेशन कुछ भी सेट कर सकता है डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली. So this is all about goal based agent. Next we have is utility based agents. So here you can see utility based agents are a type of intelligent agent designed to make decisions based not only on reaching a goal but on maximizing a utility or preference satisfaction function that measures the desirability of different outcomes. Let me explain you utility based agents in simple terms. We can say utility based agents represent a sophisticated approach in AI that combines goal achievement. It combines goal achievement with an of outcome evaluation of outcome desirability. And by using utility function of this agent, these agents can access and compare the quality of different states of a machine that allow more flexibility and optimized decision making than simpler goal based agents. So you should note that it is a combination of goal achievement and evaluation of its outcome. All right. Other than this, students, we have some characteristics of utility based agents. The first characteristic includes its utility function. A utility function assigns a numerical value. It always assigns what? A numerical value, that is also called a utility, to different states or outcomes based on how desirable they are. For example, self-driving car might assign a higher utility to smooth, fast routes while assigning a low utility or low numerical value to slower, congested paths. Its goal is not just to reach the destination, but its goal is to do so in a way that maximizes comfort and minimizes the time. That is how utility functions works under utility based agents. Another is goal achievement with quality measures. As I told you, गोल को तो अचीव करना ही है, बट क्वालिटी भी वहां पर होनी चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, an investment agent might have the goal to increase your returns, but it will balance risk with potential returns, aiming for the investment strategy that maximizes expected utility based on risk tolerance. All right, utility based agents aim to achieve goals, but also consider how well they achieve their goals. Another, sorry, this is your third characteristic, right? Third characteristic is decision making based on trades off. Utility based agents can handle trade offs between competing factors such as speed versus accuracy, cost versus benefits. It can measure all these things. Fourth characteristic is flexibility and adaptation. This is very important characteristic. Okay, these agents are highly adaptable because because we have already discussed that they can adjust their actions based on changing conditions and the relative utilities of possible outcomes. Some examples include your autonomous vehicles. Autonomous vehicles. Another example can be financial trading. Another is personal assistant and healthcare. In healthcare department, in medical diagnosis, utility functions can have agents weight potential benefits to treatments against possible side effects, costs, and recovery times. All right. Next we have is learning agents. So students, if we talk about learning agents, they are powerful AI tools that is capable of adapting their behavior based on the experiences by incorporating elements of learning, performance evaluation, exploration, as well as feedback. These agents offer a dynamic approach of solving complex problems. All right. As you can see here, in learning agents are a type of intelligent agents designed to improve their performance over time by learning from their experiences and adapting to new information. All right, everyone. So we have some characteristics of learning agents. Characteristics of learning agents include its learning environment, learning environment. Another is performance element. This component handles the actual decision making under this learning agent, selecting and executing actions based on the agent's previous knowledge. Third is critic, that is evaluation component. Simply we can say critic as evaluation component. Here this component evaluates the agent's performance and provides feedback to the learning elements. Another characteristic is problem generator. In simple terms, it is also known as exploration component. And this component encourages the agent to explore. Its name is exploration component. Okay? So it helps the agent to explore and try new actions which can lead to discovering more effective solution and enhancing the learning. So that's all for today. I hope students everything is clear to you. So we have discussed different 5 types of rational agents in 2 different sessions. So you, if you haven't watched previous 17 sessions, you can check the description box. I have already added the link there. So thank you so much and all the best.